Okay, we'll finish up these examples really quick. All right, so we already said we had a factor of 7 here. Our h is 0, our k is 0. Because the absolute value of a is greater than 1, we have a stretch, and it's a stretch by 7. Our vertex here is h comma k, so it's 0 comma 2. And our axis of symmetry is x equals h or x equals 0. All right, now I believe this is our last one. All right, so let's see, is it in the correct form? Well, it should look like this. So it looks like it's pretty much there. So I know this is a positive 7. Positive 7. Here's my squared term, and we do have a subtraction inside, so that one's correct. I have a plus at the end, and I need a plus at the end, so that one's correct. There's my h value and my k value, so h is 2 and k is 11, and a is 7. So since a, the absolute value of a, is greater than 1, this is a stretch by 7. Okay, so now my vertex is going to be h comma k, so that's 2 comma 11. And then my axis of symmetry is the line x equals h or x equals 2. All right, and those are all the examples I have. The worksheet, there is no graphing. You just have to answer the questions. The first part is just finding the axis of symmetry. And the second part is just like what we did here, finding the compressor stretch factor, if there is one, finding the vertex, then finding the equation of the axis of symmetry.